All right, so today we're going to photograph a 2022 Ford Tremor Ranger. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me on that drive, or on that job. Time to get on the road, head that way. So what is Maverick now, the smaller one?
Maverick's the baby now.
This is the size as what Silverados used to be. Is that a full size now or mid size? That's.
I don't know. I'm just making it up. I'm about to make up a term for it.
Well, I know, but it's like all these trucks are just getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, I like that one a lot better. All right, so we're doing F5 because we want the whole truck in focus. Can you turn the steering wheel to the right? A little more. That's good. All right, one more. Okay. And then I like to come up here with the CPL filter. Huh? No lights are coming on. Are they supposed to? Yeah, nothing's coming on.
Playing with the button, so I have no idea.
It looks like it should have. Turn on the blinkers. Nothing. There's nothing happening. Trying to get the stripes on that hood. See, shooting it in the daytime so much easier. All right. Yeah, that Maverick last night, I did the pictures and I was showing them to my wife and she's like, babe, they look fine. And I was like, I don't know.
Hashtag life.
Hey! All right, scooting it back. Ideally, you want to shoot a car at light level So on trucks, you don't necessarily have to duck down or anything. And then I personally always like to come through and get some of these no real reason other than the want. Some of the back. Some of this. Okay. I like the wheels on that one more too. Alright, we're just seeing what kind of framing we're gonna get here. There we go. Flip my filter. Yeah, that's the best we're gonna get. Okay. Then we'll get a 3/4 over here. Okay. Anything in the tailgate for that one?
No.
No special tailgate?
Oh, I don't know. I have no idea. They just dropped it off.
Back there? It's back there? Alright, so all of those shots were shot with my Sony 50mm f1.8 with a CPL filter on it. And for the interior shots, I'm going to switch to a Sigma 16mm f1.4, but we're not going to be shooting at f1.4. Again, that's a common mistake that people do. They think, oh, they think because their camera can do super fast apertures that they should shoot super fast apertures all the time. And that's not the case. You don't need to do that.
Almost jumped over my head. Almost. Almost.
Whew. Hey!
You know how to open that new window?
Open the what?
The back window.
The back window?
Yeah.
It slides.
Oh. Oh. It got roomy to open. I need to get back and go down guard. In just a minute, you can get back in the truck and try that. Okay.
He likes playing with the new cars just as much as you.
If it ended up being, oh, you know, he's an auto rider later on, I will not be surprised. And then there's the GD70 is over there.
The what one?
EB70 is the other one.
Oh.
They dropped off.
That's an Infinity, right?
No.
Oh.
Hyundai.
Oh, okay.
Can you do what? Walk a lap? Yes. Just stay where I can see you.
Yeah, I figured the church would be easier because, you know, the school, they're in school right now. And this church parking lot's usually dead. Alright. Oh, I'm going to get that center console real fast.
That guy should open the back window. I see it work.
Okay.
Whoop. What are you running from? What are you running from?
Imagination. Get the other side. I like this color on it though.
Isn't it pretty?
It reminds me almost of like Nardo gray, but with more blue.
I like the stripe. It's kind of fun actually.
The stripes?
He said it was going to have a stripe, and I was like, I actually like it. I usually don't like the stripe. I usually like it to be like a solid color.
Right.
But it's kind of fun actually. And with the red or orange or whatever color this is.
The accents, yeah. The accents help it out a lot. And I hate to say it. Oh no, the Ridgeline had the bronze wheels, so I was going to say I like these wheels better than that Ridge.
I do like them better. You can run a lap. I'm right here. I don't want to run a lap.
No, Mom. You won't.
All right.
Watch your balance.
Okay. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. We're gonna go home and edit these. And then, actually, I'm gonna switch these lenses back here. We're gonna go home and edit these. And then, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. That way you guys are seeing side by side. I've had a few people ask me about doing a video like this. I'm not sure how well it's going to go over, but this is basically what I do. I shoot for this particular website. She does car reviews, and she hires me to shoot the pictures. And I make pretty decent money doing that. So these are more article style photos, not like stylized super hot boy style pictures. And these are pictures that get sent to brands. Like these pictures are actually going to get sent to Ford, and they have to be okayed because for her to use them, I think they have to be okayed and viewed in a good light. But either way, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna go home.